Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I am going to show you how to fix echo sound issues during your video and audio calls on Windows 10. So let's start the video. The first thing you can do is use a headphone or a handset instead of speaker. Now move on to the next step you can try. So you have to right click on this speaker icon, right click on it, then click on this option open sound settings, click on it. Now you will see these two options, output and input. So first click on this option device properties. Now make sure this option is off. Okay, so make sure this option is off. After that go back. After that in this input option select the correct microphone. For example, if you are using two microphones, if you are using any external microphone, so you have to select the correct microphone in this input option. Okay, cut this window. Now move on to the next step. Again right click on this speaker icon, then click on sounds. You will see this kind of small window. Click on this second tab recording and this will show you your microphone. So right click on the microphone which you are using, then click on properties. After that click on the second tab listen and make sure this option is unchecked. Listen to this device, make sure this option is unchecked. After that click on this tab levels and this will show you your microphone volume. So you have to reduce your microphone volume and also reduce your microphone boost. Okay, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now click on the first tab playback and this will show you your headphone or your speaker. Right click on it, go to properties, then click on this enhancement tab. Now you have to select this option, disable all enhancements. So tick this option, then click on apply, then click on OK, then click on OK. If you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next step. Press Window key and R together on your keyboard and this will show you the run command. After that type this command, then click on OK. So this will open Windows services. Now you have to search for a service called Windows Audio. So scroll down and search for Windows Audio service. So this is a service we need, Windows Audio, and this one Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. So you have to right click on the first one, go to properties, make sure the option is selected as automatic in startup type. Then again right click on this service, then click on restart. Now do the same thing, right click on this second service, go to properties, select automatic in startup type, then right click on it again, click on restart, click on yes. That's it. So these are the few steps you can apply. This is all for the video. Thank you.